ultimate WhatsApp chatbot that not only understands text, it also understands images as well as voice notes. And what if I tell you, you can create this WhatsApp chatbot right away within few minutes without need of any coding and programming skills. So now, without wasting any further time, let me show you how this bot is going to work, and then I will show you with the help of which amazing software I have created this chatbot. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp and this is the chatbot right here. I will ask my first question towards this bot, but I am going to send a voice note this time. Okay, so let me ask the question. Do you have any outfits for women who has size M to XL, and are there any summer dresses available for this season? So this is the voice note that I forwarded towards this AI assistant, and I have asked this question now. It will take few seconds for AI assistant to analyze the voice note and send the reply back to me. So you might have to wait over here for few seconds as well. You can see right here I have received this reply. Yes, we have several women's outfit from sizes M and L that are great for summers, and I have received this response with all the summer friendly outfits. So now this agent has understood this question of mine. Now I have another question, that is, are there any products for men available in your business? So now I have asked this next question towards this AI assistant, but I have asked this question as a voice note only. So I will wait for the reply right now. I have received this reply. Yes, we have range of men products in Style Haven catalog. That's my business name. And you can see right over here, this is the reply I have received with details of each and every product item for men category. So now this is how this AI assistant is going to understand not just text, voice notes, and later in this video I will show you how this assistant will understand images as well. So without wasting any further time, let me show you how you can create this AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills. But what software am I using? I am using Pabbly Chatflow, which is an amazing software using which businesses can easily and efficiently manage their WhatsApp business account. Now over here, you have to log into your Pabbly Chatflow account after coming to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, on a new tab, search for pabbly.com/chatflow. You will come to this landing page where you will find two options, sign in or sign up for free. Now if you're a new user, you're logging in for the first time, don't worry, sign up for free from here. You will log into your Pabbly Chatflow account, and as you are logged in for the first time, you will get 100 free credits to test out all the features of Pabbly Chatflow. I'm already a user, so I will sign in from here. Remember, if you want to purchase any of our yearly or lifetime plans with Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out the code that I've added on the left side of my screen right here. That will get you instant discounts on the purchase. So go ahead, use the code, purchase our plan, and automate your WhatsApp conversations right away. Coming to the All Pabbly Apps section next, select the option of Pabbly Chatflow from here, and you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow next. Now if you want to learn how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account by adding your WhatsApp number from here, and want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the video links I've added in the description section below. Now, in order to create a new AI assistant, a WhatsApp chatbot with AI that will automatically reply to all the queries of my customers and leads 24/7, for that you have to go towards this AI assistant section right here. After coming to AI assistant interface, now to create a new assistant, go to this add AI assistant button, and we have to name our AI assistant first. I will name my AI assistant as new AI assistant right now, but you can name your AI assistant whatever you want. I'll add the assistant from here, and as soon as I will do that, inside Pabbly Chatflow a new assistant has been created. Now we just have to complete some of the steps and our AI assistant setup is going to be completed. First section is AI instructions. First is the instruction type. For the type, I will select over here as AI agent. You can select the assistant type according to your requirement. According to the type, you have to add in the instructions right here, roles and responsibilities of this AI type. Now, I have some points that I need to add in the instructions section. So, I'm going to update this entire prompt right here. So, I have updated the instruction right over here, the role and other things. If you want this updated prompt so that this AI will respond to voice notes as well as images and text, you have to comment down below instructions, and I will show you the instructions of this AI agent as soon as possible. Okay. Now after that, it is asking for AI configuration, under which first is temperature. Temperature is a range from 0 to 1, 0 being focused replies from AI assistant and 1 being creative replies. So for the temperature, I'm going to set it as 0.5. AI to use, currently we have the option of OpenAI only, so I will select OpenAI, and for the model I will select GPT-5 mini. Next it is asking for the API key. Now over here for the API key, you have to go towards this hyperlink directly and you will come to the OpenAI API keys section page. Now in order to generate a new key, click on this create new secret key button. Name the key right over here according to your requirement, and then simply you have to select the project and permission as all. Create the key from here. Copy the key, paste it down in this field, and the connection is going to be created between OpenAI and Pabbly Chatflow. Remember, you need to have a paid account with OpenAI so that this assistant is going to reply to all the queries. You should have a paid account for that, okay? Next is assistant settings. If you want with the text, header and footer message will be forwarded, toggle the button on and enter the header footer according to you. If you want to add in the stop keywords, that is going to automatically stop the assistant to reply. You can enter the stop keywords as well. If you want to activate retry attempt, you can activate it from this section. And lastly is the fallback message. This message you can edit it from here, is only going to be forwarded in the case when this API key that your OpenAI has is not responding. Okay. Now after that, next is knowledge source. Now knowledge source is a very important part of this AI assistant creation. Knowledge source is a database, is a document in which you have explained about your business. Let me show you the knowledge source that I have created. So this is the knowledge source that I've created for my business Style Haven. That's an online fashion retail store. I've explained in detail what all are the products I provide, what I have in my business, what is my business all about in this document. You have to create a knowledge source for whatever business you have, just like this, explaining what your business is, policies, pricing, return, like everything. Your support team details, everything should be mentioned in this knowledge base from A to Z about your company, okay? And then simply upload that knowledge base right here. Click on this button. I've already uploaded my knowledge base from here. Simply go to this add new file button, upload the file from this section, and then you will see your file just like this, and insert this knowledge base right here. Within few seconds, you will see your knowledge source that you have uploaded in this knowledge sources section. You will see the vector ID, that means the file has been uploaded, okay? After updating the knowledge source, next is AI assistant and styling. Now we have given you another option. Pabbly Chatflow has given you another option to add this AI assistant on your website, just like this, a bot, okay? You will see like this, the bot will be added on the corner of your website. If you want to change anything like the name, if you want to add in your brand name right over here, what's my business name? It's Style Haven. So what I'm going to do is I will update that name right here. You will see it has been updated over here as well. If you want to change this line, change the initial message, if you want to enable disable power by Pabbly or add in a footer link, you can edit all the things from this section, okay? Last is user first message. This message is the usual message that you receive from the user and on your assistant directly, okay? Last is styling. If you want to change the styling of this entire interface of this bot that you're going to add on your website, like the color, background picture, everything, you can do that from the styling section right here. I don't want that, so I'll skip the part, and the AI assistant has now been created. Now to enable this AI assistant, toggle the button on and save the assistant from here, and the assistant is going to be automatically saved inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to add this assistant on website, go to embed it. You will find the script, copy the script from here, add it on your website code, and automatically the assistant will be added on your website as well, okay? So now as this assistant has been created successfully, let us test out this assistant all together. What I will do is I will share an image with this assistant on my WhatsApp and check whether assistant replies on the image or not. Okay, so let me open my WhatsApp. So now this is my WhatsApp chatbot. I will add the image right over here. So I have this image of wrong order received. So I will send this. This is not the dressed I order image right over here towards this bot. As soon as I will do that, it will take few seconds for this assistant to analyze the image, and according to the text, this assistant is going to reply back to me. So I will wait over here for a few seconds. Within few seconds, I've received this reply. Sorry about that. I can help you to get this sorted. From the photo, I've seen 2 garments and the overlay text saying it's not the dress you have ordered. To start return and replacement quickly, I need few details. Order number, name of the order, a clear photo and shipping label of packing ship. a screenshot or a link of the product page and confirm the item is unused with original tags. You can see right over here, I have received this detailed reply with this image right here. So this is how this AI assistant is not only going to understand text, voice notes, but also images. So this is how this amazing AI assistant is created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now what if you want this AI assistant should be automatically enabled to all the chats, to all the users who are sending you WhatsApp message, to all of them, this AI assistant should automatically be enabled. For that, go to settings and inbox settings section. Then you have to scroll down till the end and you will come to this AI auto reply settings. Enable this and select the contact list to whom you want to enable this AI assistant automatically to, and select the assistant from this drop down right over here and save this rule. That is how you automatically enable this assistant to all the contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow. With that, if you want to specifically assign this assistant to a chat, for that go towards the inbox section, select the chat to whom you want to automatically assign this assistant to, toggle this button on and select the assistant from here, and automatically towards the chat this assistant is going to be enabled. That is how you enable the assistant for a single chat as well. So now as this assistant has been created, did you see how simple it is to create the assistant? It's very easy. You can create this assistant as well without need of any coding and programming skills using the amazing software Pabbly Chatflow. And if you're planning to buy our yearly or lifetime plan, use the code added on the left side of my screen. The code is in the description section as well. If you have questions or doubts related to this assistant creation, comment down below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.